The Co-operative Bank of Kenya has assigned a 750 million shillings loan portfolio guarantee agreement with African Guarantee Fund to increase financing of green projects being undertaken by small and medium-sized enterprises. The cash will enable Co-operative Bank to increase financing to micro, small and medium-sized enterprises and promote emerging corporates in Kenya that are involved in green energy and solar installation projects.
According to data from the International Renewable Energy Agency, solar costs have fallen by over 80% since 2010, while the levelized cost of energy generated by large-scale solar plants is under 10 shillings per kilowatt hour, compared to about 38 shillings per kilowatt hour 10 years ago. The figures further indicate that between 2018 and 2019, the price of solar power fell by 13%. As such, corporates are angling themselves to fund green solutions. The Co-operative Bank of Kenya has secured 750 million shillings loan portfolio guarantee agreement from African Guarantee Fund to finance such by small and medium-sized enterprises. During the signing of the deal, Coop Bank Director for Corporate and Institutional Banking, Jacqueline Waithaka, revealed that the challenge banks and other financiers face in financing of solar energy regards the kind of securities that customers offer as collateral for credit. In addition, she says solar panels and inverters are not preferred as security because they cannot be easily liquidated in case of a loan default. Experts believe energy costs remain one of the heaviest input costs for many small businesses, and thus financing green projects is seen as a way of having a large positive impact on MSMEs involved in reducing the cost of doing business, thereby making them more competitive. On its part, the African Guarantee Fund Director of Business Development, Frank Adjagba, said the partnership took cognizance of how sustainability improves the quality of life and protects the ecosystem and preserves natural resources for future generations.